In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name quickly and easily. This is perfect if you've recently updated your name, want your emails to look more professional, or simply need to fix a display name on your Google account. The best part is, this only takes a minute or two, and you can do it right from your Google account settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Google account personal info page. You can use the link in the description or type in myaccount.google.com/personalinfo. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with the Gmail account you want to update. Once you're inside your Google account, look for the section called Personal Info. This is where Google keeps your profile details, including your name, birthday, and contact information. Under Personal Info, click on Name. This will take you to the screen where your current Google display name is shown. Now click on your name again to edit it. Google may ask you to confirm your identity or reopen the edit panel, so just follow the prompts if that happens. Once the edit box appears, enter your new first name and your new surname. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, because this is the name that can appear across Gmail and other Google services. After double checking your new name, click Save. And that's it. Your Gmail name has now been updated. Depending on where and how you use Google, it may take a little time for the change to appear everywhere, but your account name is now officially changed. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.